again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best gimbals for your iPhone, GoPro, mirrorless camera in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Feiyutech G6. The Feiyutech G6 is the best gimbal for action cameras for several reasons. It has 12 hours of battery life, it's splash-proof, you can control it via an app, it has an OLED screen so you can quickly check settings, and it can be used with anything from the GoPro Hero 10 to the Sony RX0 or even the DJI Osmo. It's designed so that no matter how you angle the gimbal, it will never obscure the camera screen so you can always see exactly what you're shooting. If you're planning on shooting a video using the sound from the onboard mic, you'll need to be careful as the gimbal motor sits rather close to the mic and sometimes picks up on the sound of it moving. Feiyutech G6 Official Splash-Proof Handheld Grip Gimbal 3-Axis Stabilizer for GoPro Hero 87654 Cam YI 4K AEE Sport Action Camera. With connecting GoPro Hero 8/7/6/5/RX0's Wi-Fi, G6 can control the camera to take video/photo and set the working modes. Meanwhile, all the specifications can be set in new Feiyu on app once it connects via Bluetooth. More smoothly, low power consumption, bigger motor torque, higher anti-shake performance. Remote control, automatic calibration, firmware upgrade, and the setting of multi-motion parameter can be done on app. Number 9. Removu S1. With strong, rugged weatherproofing, the Removu S1 makes a great pairing with a GoPro camera and is compatible with the majority of contemporary models. Like the Karma grip, its handle is detachable, meaning you can easily also use it as a wearable stabilizer, and there's also remote control functionality built into the grip to allow you to operate the camera with it even when the two are separated. While the Li-ion battery doesn't last especially long compared to competitors, the fact that it's removable means it's easy to simply pack a spare if you know you're in for a long shoot. Rainproof wearable/mount anywhere 3-axis gimbal with detachable hand grip and wireless remote control for all GoPro 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and session cameras, black. Removu S1 is the 3-axis gimbal for use with GoPro cameras. With 3 brushless DC motors and rotary sensors, the S1 delivers extremely stabilized professional shots and any kind of activity. The S1 can be mounted anywhere GoPro can be mounted. Mount it to your body, a bike, a helmet, wherever you would mount. Number 8. Benro Snap-of-Mate. This easy-to-use gimbal is capable of producing excellent quality 4K video as well as 12MP images. It can take pictures as either JPEGs or DNG RAW files, which makes them much easier to edit, especially if you don't quite get your exposure correct. Every now and again the gimbal does seem to glitch a bit, but generally, it's ideal for creating steady footage while running or walking. Snap-of-Mate Micro 3-Axis Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer USB-C to USB-A Charging Cable Strap Carrying Case Benro 5-year limited warranty, 3-year plus 2-year with registration. Number of axes, 3. Rotation range, pan, -270 degree plus 90 degree tilt, -98 degree 50 degree roll, plus or -4 degree. Follow speed, max 120 degree/s. Axis handheld gimbal stabilizer with 4K smart camera. Number 7. DJI Pocket 2. If you want a camera and gimbal in a really compact, portable package, the DJI Pocket 2 might do just the trick. You can't beat it in terms of size, video specs, and vlogging capabilities. If you buy it as part of the Creator Combo, with external audio and the ultra-wide lens add-on, it's basically a professional setup you can carry in your pocket. Noise handling is probably the Pocket 2's weakest area, and it can struggle with highlights. However, in well-lit environments, the convenience, versatility, stabilization, and portability really can't be beaten. Symmetry telescoping selfie stick with tripod stand compatible with DJI Osmo Pocket 2/OSMO Pocket /GoPro Hero. Made of high-quality aluminum tube for durable use. Slip-resistant rubber and wrist strap around the selfie stick prevent unexpected falling off. Your camera/cell phone will be well protected. Number 6. Zhiyun Crane M2S Combo Kit. The Zhiyun Crane M2S enables you to perform a combination of tilts, pans, and even rolls with your smartphone or action camera so that you can capture professional Steadicam-style clips. Its quick release plate enables you to detach a camera and remount a different one with a minimum of fuss and effort. It will even shine a little light on your selfies thanks to a built-in fill light. Axis Stabilizer, Gimbal Stabilizer for mirrorless camera, GoPro, smartphone with bag. Small size. Strong power, portable as a phone gimbal, super light yet strong enough to hold various cameras like phones, action cams, and mirrorless cameras. The 549G/1.12 lb lightweight body, stronger motors, and extended axis make it a must-have for run-and-gun filmmakers. Handy and intuitive, unleash your creativity. Crane M2S built-in 0.66-inch display screen gets you well informed of the status and parameters of your camera and gimbal. Various shooting modes are available: pan follow, lock, POV, vortex, go, etc. The newest quick release plate that's only seen on Zhiyun flagship gimbals. It features a V-shaped design and dual safety locks which ensure utmost safety and efficiency. You could also choose to upgrade to a universal balance-free quick release plate for run-and-gun scenarios. Number 5. Feiyutech Gimbal 3. This compact, lightweight and durable gimbal will have you panning, tilting, and tracking your subjects like a Hollywood camera operator. Using your smartphone's front-facing camera and the free Feiyuan app, you can make the gimbal track your movement as you walk and talk and trigger the recording with a hand gesture. Some of the app's panning time-lapse features didn't perform as well as we hoped, but all in all this is an effective budget smartphone gimbal. Axis Gimbal Stabilizer for smartphone, 7.8-foot extend, dial ring designed, face/object track, fits iPhone 14, 13 Pro/Max, Samsung, Android cell phone, vlog, YouTube, TikTok, tripod. Turn on. Please mount the smartphone before turning on the Gimbal 3 gimbal. New updated use it without unlock the 3-axis. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. 3 steps: unfold, install smartphone, turn on. Please mount the smartphone before turning on the Gimbal 3 gimbal. New updated use it without unlock the 3-axis. Number 4. Zhiyun Smooth 4. So large proportion of the video content uploaded to the internet every year is shot on an iPhone. More and more often, professional content creators are choosing to shoot with iPhones as an easy, reliable way to record footage. iPhones are small, lightweight, and you have them on you all the time, which is what makes them perfect for it. Investing in the Zhiyun Smooth 4 stabilizer will ensure that all your videos are the most professional they can be and will get rid of any camera shake. It has intuitive on-body controls, a wheel that can be used for focusing or zooming, and an app that enables you to use features such as time-lapse and vertigo. It's pretty heavy as far as smartphone gimbals go, and it definitely caters to iPhone rather than Android, so bear this in mind when shopping. Use: slide the smartphone in as close as possible to against the tilt axis motor. Loosen the roll Y-axis thumb screw, which is on the back, to adjust the gravity center by sliding the horizontal arm. When phone stays in level and power OFF status, it is balanced. We recommend you view the video tutorials. There are lots of tutorial videos on YouTube that will help you master the gimbal. For heavy phones such as iPhone 13 Pro Max, search B07G56PZYQ on Amazon for counterweight. Number 3. Zhiyun Smooth X. The Zhiyun Smooth X is a compact, lightweight mobile phone gimbal with a battery life of 5.5 hours. Despite its plastic build, it still feels well made, and the affordable price tag certainly makes it a tempting buy for anyone who wants to improve their smartphone filmmaking. Since you're able to swivel the gimbal head 90 degrees into portrait orientation, it makes it perfect for using for videos to be posted on TikTok or Instagram. One of our only niggles with the Zhiyun Smooth X is that the ZY Cami app that you need to use in order to set up the gimbal isn't compatible with every phone. However, most phones are capable of running the app, so check the compatibility list here. Opens in new tab if you're unsure. Photos or recording videos effortlessly with Bluetooth wireless control. Widely compatible with smartphones, iPhone 11 Pro/XS/XR/SE and Samsung Galaxy Android phones under $235G. With the ZY Cami app, you can also capture a steady moment by showing a V gesture or waving to the camera. Easily and wirelessly switch between portrait and landscape mode by double-clicking the M button on Smooth X. Start recording your IG story or TikTok videos, vlogging, and YouTube live streaming in your unique style. Number 2. DJI OM5. The DJI OM5 is the latest smartphone gimbal from DJI. It has a 21.5 centimeters extendable pole and is the most lightweight one yet at just 290G. DJI has removed the big heavy battery found in previous models for a lower powered one, but don't worry, it still has over 6 hours of battery life, and you could always charge it with one of the best power banks. Opens in new tab. The handling and build quality of the OM5 is excellent. It has a rubber handle for grip and the joystick is perfectly positioned for easy operation. You can use gesture controls such as displaying a V sign to initiate record, and active track will lock on and track a subject. Our one slight concern is that the hinge at the top of the extension rod is really easy to turn, which can be frustrating when you're opening the hinge in a hurry. That aside, it's a great gimbal, which is why it got 5 stars in our review. Portable and palm-sized gimbal stabilizer for smartphones. DJI OM5 is a lightweight and versatile tool that unlocks the full potential of your smartphone. Enjoy flawless selfies, super smooth video, automatic tracking, and so much more with this DJI phone gimbal. Built-in extension rod include more friends in a selfie, or even film your pets more comfortably from lower angles. This smart gimbal stabilizer is perfect for vlogging, live streaming, and YouTube. Shoot Like a Pro's shot guides automatically recognizes your environment and recommends a corresponding shot sequence, along with a tutorial for how to get it. Number 1. DJI OM6. We didn't think smartphone stabilizers could get any better than the DJI OM5, but the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 goes to show they can. We're still not convinced by the fiddly folding mechanism, but other than that, it's an extremely robust, professional selfie stick/gimbal that has a lot of advanced features such as motion time-lapse, subject tracking, and an analog zoom/focus wheel for easy control. This certainly isn't a budget option, but it's by far one of the best selfie sticks you can buy if stabilization is your main game. We tested it using the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and despite it being one of the heavier smartphones now available, it was able to keep up with some aggressive movements from us and still maintain incredibly smooth footage. It's an excellent selfie stick/gimbal, but you will have to pay a hefty chunk more. 3-axis stabilization. Get stable footage with your cell phone gimbal stabilizer. DJI's integrated advanced stabilization technology compensates for unwanted movements and catches the moment with cinematic smoothness. Quick launch, unfold, and magnetically snap in. The DJI Mimo app pops up as soon as you snap your smartphone to the gimbal. 1. Tap to open, and you'll be ready to shoot. ActiveTrack 5.0. Upgraded ActiveTrack 5.0 follows your subject smoothly and keeps them center frame. Capture them as they turn to the side or even spin around. Ideal for when you want to tell a story.